Introduce yourself. My name is John. I come from Ernakulam. I'm a BTech graduate in Computer Science Engineering from Cochin University of Science and Technology. I have done a 3-month internship in Python from One Team Solutions and recently attended 2 weeks workshop on machine learning. I have good programming skills and I am interested in coding and learning new technologies. My engineering main project was based on artificial intelligence and my seminar topic was related to machine learning. In my family, we are 4 members: father, mother, and brother. What is your short term goal? My short term goal is to get a job which suits my skills and interests. As an entry level candidate, my primary goal is to gain skills, knowledge, and learn new things which may help me to set my career. What is your long term goal? I want to see myself taking bigger roles and responsibilities which may improve my technical knowledge and management skills. I want to reach the most responsible position that I can achieve and would like to be the master in what I am doing. This is my long term goal. Why should we hire you? As per the information I have collected from your job posting, I could understand that you are looking for fresh graduates who have strong programming skills and English communication skills. I believe my qualification and skills make me a great fit. I am an effective communicator with good presentation and writing skills. I am also confident in programming, which you are considering as one of the important criteria for this job position. What is your strength? I am a team player, which I believe is my biggest strength. It is a skill that I have developed from my school days. I always enjoy working in teams. I was the team leader for our final year engineering project, and I have been often told by my team members that I am the motivator of the group during challenging situations. I was also in charge of the inter-college fest conducted at our campus. I could manage our team well, and as a result of our teamwork, the event was a big success. What is your weakness? I'm a bit shy person and I was really worried about presentation and group meetings when I was in college, but I was very much aware of this problem and tried hard to overcome it. I started utilizing all opportunities that come across to speak in groups for the public. This practice has helped me to overcome this weakness to great extent. I am also working hard on this to take myself to the next level. What do you know about this company? It is one of the fastest growing company in India in the field of artificial intelligence. Company headquarters is in Germany and spread over 8 countries all over the world. I heard the working environment of the company is very friendly. People feel proud to be part of this company as the company provides full support to the employees to develop themselves. And I could understand that the company recently launched an IoT based product and which was a huge success. I saw news articles and posters related to that on social media. Why do you want to work with this company? It shall be a privilege for me if I can start my career with a reputed firm like this. I believe the kind of atmosphere you have here will help me to achieve more than what I am aiming for. This is one of the biggest reasons for me to work here. Are you willing to relocate or travel as a part of your job? Yes, definitely. It will be a great opportunity for me to work in a new environment, interact with new people, and explore new places and culture. Where do you see yourself 5 years from now? I aim to reach at one of the most responsible positions in this company. I believe this job will for sure provide me the opportunity to achieve my goals. How long you will stay with this company? I would be happy to work here for a long time if I am offered this job. As I said before, this company has everything that an entry-level candidate like me is looking for. My friends are working here and they told me that the company provides all the opportunities for professional and personal development and the environment is really good to learn new things. What is your salary expectations? I'm not at all concerned about my salary and to be honest, I don't have any expectations right now. As an entry-level candidate, all I am looking for is a job which matches my skills and qualification. If I can learn new things, acquire new skills and upgrade myself, then the salary doesn't matter much. I would accept anything as per the company standards.